Okay, so good morning everyone. I'm your Scrum Master for today. So I'll first discuss about what we did yesterday, then I will assign you your new task. So what I did yesterday is implementing MTXN into PPM. So one issue that I face is the base 64 encoding because I realized that whenever I run that function, it will causes buffer overflow, which result in weird text being printed out in the output. So I have solved that issue by changing the base64 encoding function. Yeah. So what about you guys?
Yesterday I did the GNS API call from Django. So I first coded a Python script that will talk to GNS tree to get the nodes data, all these, and then after that I implemented it in Django. I had a problem where I didn't know where to implement the logic portion in Django. But after some research, I found that it should be implemented in views.py. So I just imported the Python script in views.py, and then after that call the function from there. Yeah.
So for me, so I implemented the PPM into my PPM code. Then the difference between these two is that the PPM marks with a fixed probability, while the PPM marks based on a dynamic probability based on the TTL value in the packet. So before I do any changes to the packet, I will check the TTL value in the packet first, and then based on that value, I will calculate the distance that the packet took. So of course, the TTL is decremented each time it passes through a hop, like router. And so I calculate the marking probability based on that TTL value. And then one problem I had was the bit set type for my offset distance and edge fragment values, because I was not very sure with that variable type. So I spent some time looking into that, and I managed to solve the problem. Yeah. Okay.
Wow, I have such a great time yesterday after you recommended Tendermint to me. I was exploring the whole framework, and it seems that it is a very viable solution for our product and for our project. So I've actually tried setting up a demo network, and apparently it worked quite well with PPM. So I would strongly suggest that we actually start work on this framework.
Alright, for me, I started on a speed test, which basically tested how much network lag there will be with our packet marker and interceptor in running. Yeah. So overall, what I did was to first do a ping test. I sent 10 pings to the destination address with the packet interceptor running in between the two source and destinations. After that, I will proceed to secure file transfer file over to the destination, and also with the packet interceptor running in between. After that, I will collect the data and compile it into a Excel sheet so that we can reference how much the delay is compared to when running a ping test and a file transfer without the packet interceptor on. Yeah. No problems have been faced.
Okay, so Songsheng, next week this tomorrow, no today. Today I will need you to start working on Django layout, and then Kaiman probably can continue to work on your Tendermint, and for Jia Tian, you please look into the IP tables and work on the PPM, and Jia En, please do the file upload for traceback. And for myself, I will try to merge the MTXN code with the PPM code. Yeah, so that's all for our Scrum.
Sure thing.